In this question, we have f of x equal to sine of x, and x is between pi half and negative pi half. We have g of x equal to cosine of x, and x of g of x is between 0 and pi. And they're asking us to find f of g inverse of 3 over 5. So we are the composite function of f and g. So we go inside of the parenthesis here. We have g inverse of 3 over 5. We know g of x equal to cosine of x. Then g inverse of whatever is here, it will be same as cosine inverse of same thing. So inside of the parenthesis, if I put 3 over 5, here I'm going to put 3 over 5. So g inverse of 3 over 5, it will be same as cosine inverse of 3 over 5. So now we are dealing with cosine inverse. So cosine inverse of 3 over 5, the answer will be, let's say, alpha. Always the inverse of trigonometric function, they give us an angle. So cosine inverse of 3 over 5 equal to alpha. That means cosine of alpha equal to 3 over 5. So cosine of alpha equal to 3 over 5. So the inside of the parenthesis here, g inverse of 3 over 5, g inverse of 3 over 5 is same as cosine inverse of 3 over 5. And cosine inverse of 3 over 5 is same as alpha. We put equal. So I can plug alpha to this parenthesis. So therefore, we are looking for f of alpha. The function f is sine. F of x equal to sine of x. F of alpha will be sine of alpha. So cosine of alpha is 3 over 5. We are looking for sine of alpha. If you find sine of alpha, then we are done. So how do we find sine of alpha? We have cosine of alpha. 3 over 5 is not one of the sides that we know the value of cosine of an angle to be 3 over 5. So looking at the unit circle doesn't help. So we need to make a circle. So alpha going to be on the first quadrant. Why? Because cosine of x is between 0 to pi. That means here. And for sine of x, this x is between pi half and negative pi half, is here. So the first quadrant will be double shaded. So we're going to make a triangle on the first quadrant. So this is alpha. Cosine of alpha is x over r. This is x over r, which is 3 over 5. If we use Pythagorean theorem, 3 squared plus y squared equal to r squared. Y squared equal to 25 minus 9 equal to 16. Y will be equal to plus minus 4, which on first quadrant it will be positive 4. So y will be 4. And from our note sheet, we know sine of alpha is y over r. Therefore, the answer is going to be 4 over 5. And we are done.